Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are writing. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets tonight, and everything I'll be doing in today's video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way everyone have been doing. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been the market has been moving from this direction. It went on downtrend and it got to this support zone, went back again, and it has not been able to break out from this resistance. So it has been playing within this region. Either it's going to break out above the resistance zone or it breaks out above the support zone. But for now, it's more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. If it breaks out above this, it will keep on buying until it gets to this last resistance zone. But if it does not, if it breaks out below this support zone, then it will keep on selling till it get to this region. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, I am on 5-minute time frame, and of course this is boom 500. And of course guys, this has been on a very strong downtrend. It has got into this support zone, has not been able to break out from there, so it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back into a buy trend. But for now, it is still selling at the moment. Might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend. That is very, very important for us to take note of. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This had been on a very strong downtrend, but it got to this support zone and was unable to break out from there. So right now it's going back on a buy trend, but it is at this resistance zone. Okay, it may likely crash down from there, but if it breaks out above it, then it will be moving towards this region. Okay, towards this particular resistance zone. Okay, so it will keep on buying. Of course, we will be having more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right here. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it will be going back on a crash trend right away. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and of course this came from downtrend to uptrend, and of course it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.